To other news now, experts are warning Jamaicans to be on the lookout for fraudsters who are using creative ways to fleece people millions of dollars in cash and steal their personal information. As Kalisha Williams reports, those issues were highlighted at NCB's Brood for Online Safety Forum today.
The fake text message that has gone viral on social media, seemingly sent to many Jamaicans under the guise of a Christmas cash grant from Prime Minister Andrew Holness, or in this case, President Andrew Holness, which for many was the first red flag.
So this could probably be one of those initiatives that I may have missed in the news. I know I didn't hear about this, so I'm going to click on it to get my cash back as well. And it takes you to a site, it starts to download your information, and the rest is history. So we're going to see more and more of these types of attacks that seem legitimate, coming from legitimate persons. You do need to have a wary eye for it.
Director of Communications at MOCA, Major Basil Jarrett, was among a panel of experts at NCB's Brood for Online Safety Forum Tuesday morning. The forum was not only timely, but a necessity as many Jamaicans continue to lose millions of dollars to fraudsters and hackers. Between January to November 2024, Crime Stop said it has seen a 45% increase in tips related to fraud.
So we will continue to encourage persons, because there is that misconception that Crime Stop only takes information on guns and murders. We do take information on fraud. We do take information on scamming. And relating to scamming, we do see an increase in that as well. We see a 31% increase in tips regarding scamming this year compared to last year.
And human error is usually the weakest link. From weak passwords, people clicking on links from unknown senders, to scanning fraudulent barcodes.
This person downloaded the application, activated it, and then it disappeared. That's one of the first suspicious behavior. Then in a few seconds, it's running in the background, meaning it's encrypting all of the data that's associated with this device.
And soon after, a ransom was demanded, or the individual would risk all their photos and videos being posted online. So Mr. Ebanks is warning Jamaicans to be careful.
93% of passwords used in brute force attacks are only 8 characters long. Meaning if you have an 8-character password, it can be brute force, it can be broken.
NCB has been on a drive to warn Jamaicans about scanning barcodes in ATMs. Now there is a concern about the barcodes being used to access menus at many restaurants.
Because you can scan a QR code when you go to the restaurant. Even when you're registering here, if you're a guest, there may be a QR code there. What they will do is print their own QR code and place it over that legitimate QR code.
So far, NCB said it has cleared up the backlog of fraud complaints it has received up to November 2024. And especially for the Christmas season, the company is advising customers to be cautious. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.